Perfect. The real one. I'm not gonna mess up this time. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, guys. Let's start with the nucleus. The reason why I picked the nucleus is because it's the brain of the cell. It has its own structure and its own membrane. And as you can see, the nucleus is me, of course. And I have my own structure and I have my own cell membrane. So let's go. Cytoplasm. The reason why I picked cytoplasm is because it's a gel-like substance inside a cell, constantly flowing, and it functions by keeping the cells moist and allows for the chemicals reaction to take place. And as you can see, I have the boats here because, you know, I'm just gonna leave it right there. I don't even need boats. Skirt. As you guys can see, I have the Mighty Powerhouse, which is also known as Mighty Mitochondria. So I put this here because the powerhouse has its own cell. It functions, breaks down nutrients to make energy for the cell. It breaks down glucose to release energy power plant. ATP is the energy source. Wait, did I miss any? No. This is ribosome because it has protein and it's made in the nucleus and sent out to the cytoplasm. It functions by making protein using the information provided by the DNA. As you can see, I have weed and some other vegetables. The reason why I picked these blocks, let's call them blocks, is because these make protein. For instance, this makes bread, the other one makes like carrots and stuff. Okay. The cell membrane. Structure protective layer that surrounds the cell. This is the protective layer. As you can see, you can even take a look out here. Protective layer. That's what I'm kind of using right now. And yeah, I picked this block because it's protecting like this whole entire structure that I built. And yeah. Okay, let's lyosome. Hold up, guys. This lyosome is this egg right here. As you can see, that's lyosome. The reason why it's lyosome is because it can just transform. Like, I got three different eggs that explain why they're lyosome. Like, for instance, this one, watch this. As you can see, you see those little black hearts going down. It breaks down my structure and everything, powers me. So that's why I kind of pick it. So next up, and lyosome also breaks down, recycles unused substances, also kills the cell. So that thing right there could have killed me. Lyosome, when the cell is no longer functional, it gets rid of waste and warns out the cell parts. You see its little bones and stuff. Every single person or cell that comes in the game, he just goes after. Like, I don't know what he's doing, but I guess he sees something. Next one, Golgi body. Structures stacked membranes act as the mail center. As you can see, this is the mail center too. Function acts process centers for protein and other systems. a system of highways to send things to different places. Rough or smooth organelle that transports the materials in the cell. Okay, and the reason why I picked this one is kind of like mail, you know, and because it also helps with my project. Next one, cytoplast. The reason why I picked cytoplast is because you see these plants and you see the sun. There's a reason why I put it all there. It's cytoplast is plants only structured green organelles that contain chlorophyll. Yeah. Next material. Wait, hold up. Did I skip one? No, I didn't. Cytoskeleton. Structure framework made up of then hollow tubes. You see it? Let's keep on going. Cell wall. Outside, all of this, you'll see like wood and trees and stuff. There's a limit to the amount of space we have because it's full of wood. Everything's full of wood. You get to one point where there's a lot of wood, and that would just be the cell wall. So let's go ahead and get back to what we were. Okay. This is the cell wall in plants only. Tough, rich outer cover made of cellulose and carbohydrates. Protective support and shape for the plant outer cover that protects and supports plants and fungi cells. And yeah, it protects everything. The volucules, I've been waiting for this. Functional temporary storage for any exists cell material. Stores water, food, and other materials in the cell. As you can see, we got some chicken. We threw a little carrots in there just in case someone's vegetarian, no beef. Cooked pork chops and other stuff. Oh, I didn't. Hold up. And there's more of a reason why I picked it. So let's keep on going. DNA. As you can see, this is DNA. It makes new cells. And it functions, helps the cell maintain its shape. If it didn't maintain its shape, then it would just be a disaster. Found in the nucleus, contains all the information to make a new cell. Okay, let's go. No, it's not there. Okay. Let's go do it here. Alright, okay, there we go. Okay, here we got the ER. The reason why you see purple stuff, red stuff in it, and that is because, well, this is the rough edge. The red part's the rough, as you can see. This is soft. These blocks resemble the ER. And the reason why I said it was the ER, because it's made up of folded membranes. Structure either be rough or smooth. Smooth, rough. Has ribosome, this ribosome. And smooth, no ribosome. Yeah, this part has no ribosome. This part does have ribosome. And hold up. Next part of the video. The next part of my video is thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want to. If you want to, I never told you you could. I mean, if you want to. And thank you for watching, and bye.